Imagine erasing a photo background in one click, completely free and automatic. Today, I'm excited to introduce remove.bg, a powerful AI tool that makes complex photo editing effortless. In this brief tutorial, you'll learn how to remove unwanted backgrounds quickly, giving your images a professional finish while boosting your creative flair. Start by typing remove.bg in your browser and uploading any image that catches your eye. Watch as the tool instantly detects the subject and erases the background with impressive precision. Advanced AI technology identifies even the finest details, such as delicate strands of hair, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Simple tasks suddenly become avenues for creative expression. Now let's compare the before and after views. Notice the dramatic transformation as the original cluttered backdrop gives way to a clean, crisp image. This side-by-side view highlights remove.bg's superior performance, effortlessly handling intricate edges and textures that other apps often miss. Visual clarity and precision inspire confidence, turning routine edits into rewarding experiences. Next, explore the powerful customization options available after your background is removed. With just a few clicks, you can add a solid color, apply a subtle blur, or even insert an entirely new background. These features are perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails, persuasive posters, or vibrant online shop showcases. Each option empowers you to tailor your images to match your creative vision, making design truly personal. Once your image is perfected, simply click the Download HD button to obtain a high-quality transparent PNG file. This pristine file integrates seamlessly with design software like Canva or Photoshop, ensuring your work maintains a polished, professional look. Imagine the convenience of having a clean, ready-to-use image at your fingertips for your next creative project. Efficiency and quality go hand in hand. For those managing multiple projects, here's a bonus tip. Remove.bg supports bulk processing. Upload several images at once and let the AI work its magic on every file. This feature is a game changer for digital designers and content creators, streamlining workflows and saving valuable time in busy creative schedules. Remember, simplicity is the hallmark of great design. Remove.bg transforms photo editing from a tedious chore into an intuitive, creative experience. This innovative tool not only saves time, but also ignites inspiration for fresh projects. Each effortless click takes you closer to perfecting your digital artistry. Trust in AI and let technology pave the way for your creative breakthroughs. In a world where photo editing challenges can be daunting, remove.bg simplifies the process with its innovative, user-friendly interface. We've walked through how to upload, transform, and enhance your images effortlessly, proving that technology can empower creativity for everyone. Embrace this accessible solution to elevate your designs and streamline your work. That's how easy it is with remove.bg. Try it today and follow Daily Skills AI for more fast AI design hacks.